One sec. Okay, Caroline, what are you going to do? You're going to jump? Okay, show us how you jump. Caroline, what's your favorite thing to do? To jump. Do you want to do it again?
Yeah. I just missed it. The last one, she landed on me and just like...
Really? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Nice work. You want to do it again?
Yep. Now look that corn and it got there. And time it got there.
1, 2, 3. Good girl. Love you.